Hey folks, we're cooking on Blackstone again today. Cooking up some bacon, some eggs. Gonna be some good cooking. Good cooking, folks. We're feeling a lot better today. We had my treatments for 3 days ago, so I'm starting to feel better. No headache this morning, so that's better. Look at that, nice eggs, a little pepper on them. We're at camp all week. Well, I think you've seen enough. That's what we're doing today. Give me a thumbs up. Give me a like to my channel if you like it. Let me know what I'm doing wrong, doing right. Let me tell me how you like it. If you don't like it, give me a thumbs down. I can take criticism. I'm a big boy, as you can tell. Okay, folks, that's what we're doing this week. I'll have some other videos up of my son chopping wood and stuff we do around camp. Just remember, give me a thumbs up, give me a like. Louie out. I'll talk to y'all later.